What up, everybody? It's my new project here.
Here we go.
Yep, there's one room.
It's like a maze.
We're gonna be doing spraying a 96 Chevrolet truck with a cammed out 350 in it. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be a gorgeous paint job. It's just all in preparation. Make sure you prep first. What's going on today? It's Flip Mike out here working on the project truck again. Check it out. Woo! So she's getting there. She's getting there. She's getting there. Had to fill a little bit more on inside these door jambs right here. This was a pretty low area right here, so I built it up. So now I'm going through the procedures right now of sanding, going from what, 220, 320, 500, and eventually probably back down to like 2,000 grit or something. But it's starting to come along. Okay. We're at a pretty good place right now. Sorry about how dark it is in here. I do need to bring some lights. I do not have any lights set up yet. But we're making good progress. This side was looking pretty shabby. Now it's actually down there pretty good. I think it needs a couple more light sandings. How's it going out there, everybody? You're here with Flippin' Mike, and we are working on the project truck again. I was hoping to be able to throw down some paint on the last short that I put out, but my air compressor just took a crap. So, womp, 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 womp. It won't kick on, it won't charge up, so I'm gonna have to get a new one. All right, what I got here is I'm just doing the fine tuning on the hood. Ooh, it's looking pretty nice. I gotta wipe it down, wash it off, get that into the other bay. I'm gonna do the fine rest of the sanding on this truck, and then I'll probably wash it off one last time and move that into the bay. We got these fenders still, need just a little bit of work, but see, we're getting a lot of work done over here. You can see this bumper, and it still needs to be tucked down some spots. I gotta get this cleaned up, taped off. And then this taping race. I don't know if anybody out there who's watching this who paints cars as well, but you guys know the taping race is a thing. You gotta tape everything off. I had to come down in here, wipe this down again. I had to make sure there's no dirt in it, no dirt on it. Fans need to be set up in the windows. But other than that, we're getting close. I just can't wait to get some paint down on this. We have the paint. And then the air compressor takes a crap. What do you do? All right, let's get to work. Now it's time to tape it up. Everything's taped off, set up, cleaned, washed, wet sanded, ready to go. So all I gotta do is set up my lights now. And once I get my lights set up, oh yeah. Once I get my lights set up, I'll be able to start spraying. So come on through to the bay, the truck. Now, I do have to tape the doors off where the door holes are. But other than that, the engine bay is all taped off, the rim, the tires, the windshield, the back window. Everything else is sealed up. I just have to tape off the door holes there. But she should be ready to go. So thank you so much for hanging out with me and being patient. Hopefully you guys can't wait to see what it looks like when it's painted. We got some beautiful Nassau blue to throw down on this. It's gonna look gorgeous. Thank you so much for hanging out. Please like, subscribe, make a comment. You know, if you think I suck or not, whatever, just put it in there. Yee! Video of me doing this side, getting it all nice. From what it was at before to what it is now. How's it going, everybody out there? You're here with Flippin' Mike. We are going to be getting stuff set up to throw the paint down. Blah, 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 blah. That fucking sucked. God damn you, Amber. I hope you see this. All right. How's it going, everybody? You're here with Mike. Blah. See, I've never had this problem before. Always first one take.